You're investing about how much money in each one of the stocks that's in that mutual fund? $1,000, right? So $1,000 per company. So if Toys R Us is in that group of mutual funds and they go bankrupt, you lost $1,000 from Toys R Us, right? However, if Microsoft is also in that group and they went up $3,000, you didn't lose $1,000, you made $2,000, right? Well, you actually made $1 because your one was already tied up, right? So mutual fund allows you to diversify, which is what you're talking about. Allows you to diversify. Mutual funds are giving you on average about 12 to 15% return, depending on what industry you're in. Solid return, and it is not based on you putting your money all in one place, all eggs in one basket. Yes, sir.
So what about the bank CD? Put your money in the CD?
Okay, CDs are yielding about 1.75%. Now, how much per year? Now, how much did I tell you? I said this out loud. How much did I tell you want to invest in and you want to get a rate of return? What rate of return do you want to get at least?
4.5.
4.5. Mutual funds about 1.79%. I mean, not mutual funds. CDs and money market accounts. Best banks are giving you about 1.79%. I know. You want to put your money in the bank. Come right ahead. I'm not telling you not to. I'm not telling you not to. I'm not telling you not to. What I'm simply saying